Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, magnets. Yes, magnets. Let's go! Okay, so we have here magnets, ref magnets actually, of our favorite DC variants, the Bombshells. Okay, we have here our favorite Bombshells, Zatanna, and the figure. And we have here, boom, 4 magnets. Okay, so I collect, or at least try to, anything and everything that is Bombshells. Okay, so I was able to search in the online store locally that there are such thing as magnets. So you can see we have 4 here: Wonder Woman, Catwoman, Poison Ivy, and Harley Quinn. Okay, so let's take them out and see them closely. Ooh, plastic is a bit hard. Okay, so straightforward blue borders and magnetic backs. Okay, I'll probably put this on the refrigerator as intended. Okay, but for now, let's take a look at some of the comics where the magnets are from. Okay, so this one, Gotham City Lingerie magnet, is from this variant cover. Okay, the New 52, number 32, Batman Detective Comics, February 14. Okay, Valentine's, and we have Poison Ivy. Okay, in lingerie. Okay, so that's where it was from. Okay, next we have Harley Quinn. Okay, riding the Bombshell, Gotham or Bust. So you can see it's taken from that cover, number 7 of the New 52, Harley Quinn. Okay, so you can see the Batman keychain on her toy or her gun. Okay, I actually have this statue but haven't opened it. So the next one is Catwoman. Catwoman magazine is inspired by what is this? New 52. Okay, issue 32. Yeah, I was a bit surprised. I thought this was cut incorrectly, but that's part of the image, so it's for effect purpose. Okay, pin-up effect. Okay, so Catwoman magazine, Crack Up the Whip by J. Ryder. Okay, you can see the cat on her shoulders and Diamond on the other hand. And finally, the Bombshell Wonder Woman. She can do it. Okay. So very powerful Wonder Woman, breaking chains, breaking barriers, and of course the bandana scarf. Okay, so I really like this, small items, but a good addition to my ever-growing collection of Bombshells. I saw a bag as well and a wallet of Bombshells. Okay, so I was browsing through it. Now I'm tempted to buy it just to have other thingamajiggies that are Bombshell. Okay, but for now, bye-bye!